Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division for primary school students. Division is a fundamental math operation that helps us share things equally. Imagine you have 12 cookies and want to share them among 3 friends. Division tells you exactly how many cookies each friend receives. It's about splitting a larger number into smaller, equal parts. This skill is crucial for many future math concepts. Before we dive into calculations, let's understand the key terms. The dividend is the big number you are sharing, like 20 apples. The divisor is how many groups you are making, perhaps 4 friends. The quotient is your answer, telling you how many apples each friend gets. Sometimes, you might have a remainder, which is what's left over after sharing equally. Now, let's walk through the long division method, a reliable way to solve division problems. First, you divide the initial part of your dividend by the divisor. Next, multiply that quotient digit by your divisor. Then, subtract this result from the dividend section. Bring down the next digit to continue the process. You keep repeating these 5 steps until all digits are used up. After you've found your answer, it's always a good idea to check your work. To do this, simply multiply your quotient by the divisor. If there was a remainder, add that to your product. This final sum should perfectly match your original dividend. Consistent practice with various numbers, like dividing 56 by 7, will make you a division expert in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.